We're back here with Brian Weber of Weber Automotive, and as we're making this video, we're still in winter. It's a heck of a pretty calm winter here, pretty balmy. But pretty soon, though, going to be heading those summer months and feeling that heat in the car when you get in. We're talking air conditioners, and you want that air conditioner to work, and sometimes it doesn't. Seems like it costs a lot to repair those doggone things.
It can.
What is it? Why so?
Every component, nearly every component, is either expensive or laborious to get to and replace, or both. And the refrigerant. Newer cars have a new refrigerant. It's called a 1234YF refrigerant. That's like math, right? To me.
Yeah, right.
they change it every few years for various reasons, safety reasons or whatever. But so the new refrigerant is extremely expensive. You probably heard of a refrigerant you sold by the pound, right? Yeah. In the older systems. So the new ones are by the ounce.
Oh boy.
So the charge is like a quarter to a third of what it used to be before, and it's very expensive by the ounce. And the recovery procedure, recover and recharge, is really, really time consuming by SAE standards. So all the machines that you'd buy to do that, we have that. It's a 3-hour process basically to recover and recharge. Yeah, you can't do it fast.
Oh man.
So everything costs money on these things. And because the charge is so small, if you have a leak in the system, you kind of have to fix it, because any leak, it just goes and it's out, and it's so expensive.
And it's expensive. It's like, it sounds like that's something folks don't want to try to do by themselves anymore, like recharging. You can't even do it. You can't even do your own. Yeah.
Not with this new stuff. And they used to have the kind of like a fix a flat kind of thing almost for air conditioning, which was disastrous for the system. It ruined so much stuff.
Is that right?
Oh, yeah.
Well, good enough reason. I think I have one of those back in my garage somewhere. I never used it. I'm glad I didn't.
Good thing you didn't. Yeah, because then when you go to fix it, if somebody sees it like, you can't service the stuff anymore. We can't recover the refrigerant because it ruins the machine. So it's just bad.
Well, the more modern things get, the more expensive they get. That's just the way it goes. But, so hey, listen, air conditioning, you got problems with that? Take it to Weber. They'll take care of it.
Randy.
WeberAutomotive.com. Check that out. Watch more videos just like this. And thanks, Brian. Appreciate it.